Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming a bigger.
Okay, today's video is going to be about changing the top yokes and more about straightening your forks. If you hit gutters and that, you can actually knock your top yoke out, so they're not exactly straight. I'm going to be replacing the derby ones with the original ones, which I've powder coated black. So first thing you need to do is undo this bolt, this bolt, this bolt and this bolt. But this one and this one leave in there, don't take them out yet. So let's just fast forward to that part. Okay, once those bolts have been removed, you need to undo this bolt here. The 3/8 Allen key fits quite nice, but I think a 10mm does as well. But I'm using the 3/8. So you need to crack this open and screw this all the way out. Once that bolt's been took out there, just proceed to like wiggle your handlebars until the top bit comes off. Just be patient with it, just keep wiggling it and eventually it will pop off the top. So once it's removed, then you can proceed to finally take these bolts out and slide your actual handlebars out. Okay, let's fast forward this video quite a bit. To put the new yokes on, put the bars in first and just lightly tighten them up. And these bolts here, don't tighten them up at all. And this one here, leave it loose. And then what you need to do is, it's going to be quite hard to do this holding the camera. But you need to stand the bike up straight and then push down on the suspension, and that will align the top yokes to the bottom yokes. And then once you've done it, don't lean it back over again. While it's still standing up, tighten this one up. You always tighten this one up first before this one, because if you tighten them up, it won't push the top yoke down. So you always tighten this one first and that one last. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'll try and do it with one hand. So you stand it up straight, and then in the middle, push it down. So I stand up. So you stand it up straight, push it down, push it down, push it down. While it's still standing up, tighten the middle one up, and that will pull everything straight. Okay. And then let's say you just nip these up and then tighten these up. There is markings on the handlebars where you can line it up with the marking on the yokes so that they're both exactly straight. Okay, that's it for this video. So till next time, bye.